All right, let's look at this equation. All right, we have 1 over 4, and the exponent of 4 is the square root of x plus 1. That's equal to 2 to the 3x minus 2. All right, the first thing we have to do, we have to make sure that the bases are the same on both sides. So this will end up being 4. Now I'm going to change the exponent to the negative x plus 1. That means I'm going to bring the 4 up, and then it's one of the rules that we have. Remember, 1 over n is equal to n to the negative 1, and n cannot be equal to 0. All right, so and that's equal to 2 to the 3x minus 2. So we have the reciprocal of the 1 over 4. We flip that, that's 4 over 1, and we reciprocal function for the negative exponent, and then becomes negative square root of x plus 1. Now that we have that, we're going to change 4 to 2 squared, so that would be 2 squared times negative root x plus 1. That's equal to 2 to the 3x minus 2. And all right, once we get to this, now we know that the bases are the same. So the exponent must be the same because it's an equation. So we can say negative 2 square root of x plus 1 equals to 3x minus 2. And this is a radical equation. And to do that, we need to get rid of the radical. So we raise both sides to the exponent of 2. And then we're going to go ahead and simplify. So this becomes 4 times x plus 1, and that's equal to 9x squared, that's a binomial expansion, minus 12x plus 4. Okay, binomial expansion, make sure you know how to do that. And then now we have 4x plus 4 equals to 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. And then we are going to bring everything to one side, and this becomes 9x squared, and then subtract 4x from both sides, so we get minus 16x, and then subtract 4 from both sides, and that 4 and 4 is 0. So this is our equation. Now that we get this equation, simply you can factor the GCF out. We get 9x minus 16, set that equal to 0, and that gives us two possible answers, either x equal to 0 or 9x minus 16 equals to 0, where x becomes 16 over 9. Now we got these two answers. Now we're going to go ahead and check the answers, and we have to check the answers and using the original equation. Okay, so our original equation is right here. This is our original equation. We're going to use that to check our answers. So for x equal to 0, notice that it actually works. But for x equals to, that's x1 for 0, x2, 16 over 9, it turns out that the left-hand side will end up giving you negative 10 over 3, but the right-hand side will give you 10 over 3, and you have to reject that answer. Okay, so the final solution for this is x equal to 0. All right, that's it.